Wow. It's an interesting outfit that old lady's got on. That woman thought so too. Uber Eats guy's carrying mints with him in his little side pocket. Trying to get lucky delivering some pizza, huh? Good old boy. Like your style. That's... Oh. That's it. Well, that's something I didn't know. Suzuki Bandit is also a car as well as a bike. Alright, so this is another thing that's popular in Japan, maid cafes. So there we go, let's get him in the shot. Yeah, you're not as good as those two. Sorry mate. No. Nah, not doing it for me.
I'll keep working at it.
Oh, there we go, there's some maids. Maid cafe. Hello! Hey, arigato! Last time we were out together, he kill switched me, got me good and proper, so I'm determined to do it again, do it to him today, get my revenge. Or maybe not when there's cars behind us. I got him. That's revenge! So yeah, new sprockets on the KTM. 16 front and a 40 rear instead of a 1738. So what's it like? Yep, pretty good. Now you can do massive wheelies, whereas you couldn't before. It would barely lift its front wheel in second before. Are they for me? Take my fucking money, you dumb fuck. Jesus. Oh dear, look what's happened here. That's a bit of a mess, isn't it? Check these bad boys out. Super tuned monkeys. Pretty cool. Which one's the ape? That one's the ape, that one's the monkey. What's difference? What's the difference?
Bigger engine, I think.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, yeah. The engine's totally...
Yeah.
Cool.